You're a public company and looking for a way to tell your story to millions of online investors.
Welcome to AGORACOM, North America's largest online investor relations firm. We deliver investor relations to the web's biggest sites and search engines to help you find new investors. In addition to those websites, over 1 million investors read over 95 million pages of news and information on AGORACOM this year. AGORACOM, where smart public companies and investors click.
Good morning, it's Tuesday, September the 23rd, and you're watching AGORACOM TV. I'm your host, Paul Kondakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing you the best press releases at the open, along with the halt, so that you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. I know I say this every morning, however, I truly mean it this morning. I have a great show lined up for you. Incredible results. I've got 6 great press releases. I've got 1 halt to report on the second segment of our program. So without any further ado, let's get down to it. Our first press release, Nora Resources, trades on the venture under the symbol NOT. They're no stranger to the AGORACOM audience. They are an AGORACOM client, so that's the disclaimer. However, as always, the news stands on its own 2 feet. Noront being a Main Street darling for the past 12 months. A lot of retail investors are invested in this company, and they've all been waiting for this press release. What they're reporting on today is Noront reports they continue to outline the world-class chromite mineralization at Blackbird 1 and 2. So it's an update on operations as well as additional chrome results on its chromium exploration activities in the McFalds Lake area of Northern Ontario in the James Bay lowlands, also known as the Ring of Fire. Highlights from the press release this morning. This one sums it up. Assay results received from hole NOT 081G31 from Blackbird 1 returned 75 meters, averaging 38% chromite, which contains 26% chrome and 15% iron. And included within that intercept, we've got 12 meters, averaging 58% chromite, containing 40% chrome and 15% iron. Drilling at Blackbird 2, which is located 1,000 meters to the east of Blackbird 1, continues to encounter visible chromite mineralization in several holes, testing the 900-meter long gravity anomaly. Now, these guys are working on outlining a world-class chromite deposit. A lot of talk, a lot of excitement. Check out the boards at agoracom.com. Go to Noront, and you can read the full story. A little bit about Noront. They're a Tier 2 junior resource company involved in the acquisition, exploration, and development of properties for the mining of precious and base metals, and is currently active with exploration projects in Canada, Mexico, China, and Hungary. The company's last at $1.85. Their 52-week high is $7.42. Their 52-week low is $1.48, and their market cap currently stands at approximately $240 million. Moving on to our next press release, it's another doozy. It comes from VMS Ventures. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol VMS. The company is announcing assay results from drill holes 54 to 57 at its Reed Lake Discovery Zone, which is located in Snow Lake in Manitoba. Highlights from the program include, we've got hole number 55 with a 62-meter intersection containing 6% copper. It's not a typo, it's not a mistake, it's 62 meters containing 6% copper, so we've got a massive find there. Included within that, we've got 21 meters of 9% copper, and included within that, we've got 7 meters of 16.5% copper. So big numbers coming out of VMS this morning. A little bit about the company. They're focused primarily on acquiring, exploring, and developing copper zinc properties in the Flin Flon Snow Lake VMS belt. Company's last at 45 cents, 52-week high of $1.76 to a low of 35.5 cents. Their market cap currently is approximately $51 million. Moving on, I've got Mosquito Consolidated Gold Mines Limited. They trade on the venture under the symbol MSQ. The company is reporting results from 2 holes from their 2008 diamond drilling program from its Nevada-based Pine Tree Copper Molybdenum project. Highlights from the program include hole number 17, which returned 350 meters, that's right, 350 meters, grading 0.9% copper equivalent. And we've also got hole number 15, which contained 237 meters, grading 0.61% copper equivalent. A little bit about the company. Mosquito Consolidated Gold Mines Limited is a mining exploration and development company with a diverse portfolio of high potential precious and base metal projects located in low political risk environments in North America and Australia. The company is last at $1, 52-week high of $2.41, the low is 65 cents. Their market cap currently stands at approximately $35 million. Next one, I've got Romarco Minerals. They trade on the venture under the symbol R. The company is announcing assay results from several drill holes at the Hale Gold Mine, which is located in South Carolina. Highlights from the program include hole DDH301, which returned 37 meters of 8 grams per ton of gold, including 21 meters of 11.6 grams per ton of gold. And in hole 305, we've got 55 meters of 6 grams per ton of gold. And included within that, we've got 25 meters of 10.5 grams per ton of gold. So great numbers coming out of Romarco. A little bit about the company. They're a gold development company focused on production in the U.S. and Mexico. They're last at 11.5 cents. 52-week high of 30 cents, 52-week low of 11 cents, and their market cap currently stands at approximately $23 million. Moving on, I've got East Asia Minerals. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol EAS. The company is reporting on drill results at their Bawan project in Indonesia. We've got drilling in the southeastern end of Bawan, which encountered primary sulfide mineralization, which included, and this is in hole 47, we've got 116 meters of half a gram per ton of gold. And in hole number 50, we've got 31 meters of 2 grams per ton of gold. So great numbers coming out of the company. A little bit about the company. They're an Asian-based Canadian mineral exploration company with gold and copper exploration properties in Indonesia and uranium exploration properties in Mongolia. The company's last at 60 cents, 52-week high of 295, 52-week low of 55, and their market cap currently stands at approximately $55 million. Moving on to our last one, we're going over to the U.S. side. It's called Worldwide Energy and Manufacturing. They trade on the OTCBB under the symbol WEMU. And they announced today that its solar division, Amerisolar, signed $8.1 million in new solar module contracts. They announced that approximately $4 million is from a new customer and $4.1 million is from an existing customer. And to date, Amerisolar has signed approximately $30 million in new contracts. A little bit about the company. Worldwide Energy and Manufacturing, which is headquartered in San Francisco, California, is a 15-year-old engineering-oriented firm specializing in PV panel, mechanical, electronics, and fiber optic products manufacturing. Company's last at $6, 52-week high, low of $2, high of $10. Their market cap currently stands at approximately $20 million. So some great news for you to digest this morning. Now moving on to the second segment of our program, the halts. I've got JG Capital Corp. They trade on the venture under the symbol JGC.P. They've been halted pending news. That's a wrap for this morning's show. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you tune in again tomorrow when we've got more great press releases and halts at the open.